Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a column chart on your LibreOffice site or on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to insert a column chart on your LibreOffice site, just going to show in this video. To insert the LibreOffice site or column chart, you just need to click on the chart icon on the top, click on the insert chart. So this is the chart. So to customize the column chart, you just need to click on the chart type first. So the first thing was the column chart. Here you have three different type of chart like a percentage stocked chart. You can see the difference, and this is a stocked chart, and this is a normal chart. And here you can just change this to the 3D look, so you can see a difference of 3D look here. Here also you have two different things like simple 3D look, or you can just have a realistic 3D look. And in the shape you can customize as a cylinder, cone, and also a pyramid. So it's a high form of customization. I just go with the cylinder and click OK to appear this. And here you can just customize the table. For an example, here I'm just going to change this this 0 to a 5, and here also 5, and here a 4. So you can see the difference is automatically updated on the table. You can just add more row, and table is automatically updated on the chart. And here we can just change the chart area or chart wall color, and the 3D views, the look of the lighting can also be customized, and you click OK. So this is how you just insert a column chart, and you can just customize fully data on your LibreOffice site. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.